this him on my timeline and him going on my DM and tell me something, mother.
But kill behave like some of them parents, yeah. But before I continue, should you like, follow, share, comment. I want to hear from you. I'm trying to create a community of world thinkers. But as you can see in the initial clip leading to this video, Bounty Killer said Alkaline diss him, or rather, he diss Alkaline, and Alkaline diss him in return, and as a result, anyway, MC Alkaline, he might go page him. If you don't see no issue with that, just move on. You don't need to watch the video here. Because again, let me repeat, him said out of mouth, we don't care what was exactly said, but he said out of mouth, him diss Alkaline, and in return, in retaliation, in self-defense, Alkaline diss him back. Him diss Alkaline on social media, Alkaline diss him back on social media. And he feels like the best thing to do now is to take it off social media and physically assault the young man on him SYM. And someone else support this. Me not care if Alkaline didn't suck him mother or not. The point is, you see the youth, this the youth as a you say a your words. And before they even attack me, means not a vendetta fan or a goalie. Ground God fan. Right? I am just sharing my thoughts, unbiased as I normally do on this page, which is my page. So again, this for this on social media, why you threatening the youth now? That's a problem. That's enough Jamaicans' problem. We don't escalate things too much, too far, for nothing but words. But hey, these are just my thoughts. What are yours?